Hello, come on in here, YouTube family. This is Patty's Southern Kitchen, and I am going to oven bake two thin cut T-bone steaks. And these are the steaks, and I have put these seasonings on the steak. I have the Chef Paul Prudhomme's Magic Seasonings, Tony Chachery's Creole Seasoning, Chef Paul Prudhomme Magic Poultry Seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and I'm going to coat my chicken with Panko. Before I put the Panko on though, I'm going to use buttermilk. I'm going to put a little buttermilk in and coat it with the buttermilk, and then I will put the Panko over to coat it. And after that, I have my oven already preheated at 350 bake, and I will run it in the oven and I'll come right back. I have my gloves right here. So when I get ready to mix everything up, I have my gloves right here. Okay, I'll pause for a second and come right back. Hi, this is Patty, and this is my oven baked T-bone steak. And I want you to see it. I like it crunchy. I want you to see the insides of it. I like mine well done, and this is what it looks like on the inside. This is what it looks like on the back side. See that? Now let's take a bite. It is delicious. Here it is. Look at that. See the inside? I like mine well done. It's so crunchy, so tender, so juicy. This is the oven baked steak, and I used the Panko breaded seasoning. And also, I didn't tell you at first, but I sprayed my pan with Pam before I put it in the oven. This is the final presentation. I'm going to enjoy this steak. Thank you so much for sharing and subscribing. And tap that notification button so you can see the uploads, be notified of the uploads as they come in. Thank you so much, followers. Thank you so much, subscribers. This is Patty's Southern Kitchen, and we will see you soon. And look at all of this goodness here in the bottom of the pan. All of that good crunchy. Oh, it is delicious. See you soon. Goodbye.